Good day everyone, I am Cadet Audrey Cantiga and today I'm going to tackle about the different equipments for environmental protection and different documents required by annexes. First, let's tackle about oil-water interface detector. It is an electrical instrument for detecting boundary between oil and water in tank. It must be fitted in oil tankers of 150 gross tonnage and must be approved by the administration for a rapid and accurate determination of oil-water interface in slope tanks and other tanks. Next is the oily water separator. It is used to separate oil and water mixtures, and it brings down oil content of the water that has to be discharged overboard. The required oil content is the 15 ppm. It is the maximum required oil content. Now let's go to the oil discharge monitoring equipment, or the ODME. ODME principle is based on the measurement of oil content in the ballast and slope water. It is equipped with GPS, data recording, functionality, and oil content meter and a flow meter. Oil tankers with 150 gross tonnage must be fitted with ODME. Now, let's tackle about the different documents required by the annexes. First, let's tackle about the International Oil Pollution Prevention, or the IOPP certificate. It is required by the MARPOL Annex 1 Regulation 6. It is required on oil tankers of 150 gross tonnage and above, and other ships with 400 gross tonnage and above. The ship must have a name of the ship, distinctive number of or letters, port and registry, gross tonnage, deadweight of the ship, and IMO number. It has two forms. The Form A, which is the record of construction and equipment for ships other than oil tankers, and the Form B, which is the record construction and equipment for oil tankers. It also has 5 surveys requirements, and it is the initial survey, renewal survey, immediate survey, annual survey, and the additional surveys. Next, let's tackle about International Sewage Pollution Prevention. It is required by the MARPOL Annex 4. This certificate covers sewage equipments, commutators, holding tanks, and shore discharge pipelines and connection. Now, let's proceed to International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate. It is required by MARPOL Annex 6. It covers ozone-depleting substances, nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, particles and volatile organic compounds, and shipboard incineration. Next is the Engine International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate. It is a certificate issued for a marine diesel engine, and it shall accompany the engine throughout its life and shall be available on board ship at all times. It is required by the Technical Code and Control of Emission from Nitrogen from Marine Diesel Engine, made mandatory by the MARPOL. Last is the International Energy Efficiency Certificate. It forms second aspect of reducing air pollution by reducing fuel consumption, and is required by the MARPOL Annex 6. That would be all. God bless. Bye.